Hi, how you guys doing? I am at 309 North Broadway in Redondo Beach. I want to show you a little bit about this open house I'll be doing today. I'm here from 1:30 to 4:30. It is a tri-level 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's 2,330 square feet. So here's the guest bathroom. This is the living area. We're on the second level right now. Kitchen. Take you into the master bathroom and master bedroom. We are vaulted. Really nice. Okay, nice walk-in closet. Let's go up to the third level. This is where the house really shines. We have really great ocean views here. It's a really great meditation area. Big ocean breeze. I was just cracking the window open right now, and as soon as I did, I can hear those seals blurting out there. Look at this. Beautiful. Isn't this great? Look at this. I haven't showed you the best.